China has said we're not going to accept any more waste from Australia. The Upcycle Light project asks students to think about what we do with the waste problem. And the question is, how can we turn those waste streams into material streams? I think we've had a really interesting mix of students this semester. We've got a range of students from those that have just finished school, to those that have come through TAFE courses, to those that have been out in the workforce doing other things and come back to study. We've also got students from a range of countries overseas. And it's been really interesting to see them form groups through the speed dating process that we devised to get the students working in groups where they think about their own skills and capabilities and what they might seek in other people to amplify their own skills and complement their own skills. So there was a group of students who decided to look at HDPE, which is a type of plastic that's commonly used in milk bottles and a range of other plastic bottles or bottles or containers, and they turned that into a really beautiful marbled display lighting piece. And they did that by experimenting with material, melting it down, incorporating a beautiful marble texture. So we've dubbed that project Milk to Marble. There is a group of students that where one of the students lives down on the coast, lives down on the surf coast, and is into surfing and the surfing culture, and is also into making their own surfboards, and notice the problem in surfboard making or surfboard construction where there is always waste resin left over. So they devised a mould to give to surfboard producers to collect the waste. I enjoy working with a range of really passionate people. I'm also a musician. My background's in industrial design. I went through the industrial design program at RMIT. There was a group of students that chose to look at farming waste and waste that ends up just lying on farmland because it's far too expensive to do anything about. For example, things like fencing materials, wire, pickets, corrugated iron. There's a range of materials that end up lying on farmland, and they created a pendant light from that and told a beautiful story through their film. This semester I taught with Salmitri and with Emma, and I think over the 5 years or so that I've been teaching at RMIT, it's been my favourite semester so far.